In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create named ranges in the Google Sheets mobile app using your Android. Now, in the Google Sheets app, if you go to the top right corner and tap on that ellipsis right there, you will see one of the options would be named ranges. If we tap on it, we would only be able to see named ranges if there were any right here on our spreadsheet. We won't be able to create those named ranges here on the Google Sheets app. But what we can do if we do really need to have one would be to open Google Sheets in the Google Chrome app. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to open my Google Chrome app right now. Here it is. And at the address bar right here, I'm just going to type sheets.new. There you go. Tap on go. And this is what it's going to look like. Now, this is not the version that we need. What we need to do next would be to turn on the desktop site. And we're going to do that by tapping on the ellipsis at the top right corner. Then going to desktop site right here where we can just tap on it, put in a check on that checkbox, wait for it to load. And here we have it. We have the desktop version of Google Sheets here on the Google Chrome app using our phone. So make sure to log in with your Google account. And since I've already logged in, what I want to do would be to open the file where I want to create that named ranges. So I'm just going to try and zoom in right here. I'm going to tap on the top left corner where the Google Sheet icon is. And now we have the Google Sheets interface. So I'm going to select the file that I want to create that named range in. Just tap on it and here it is. Let's try and zoom in. So again, trying to use Google Sheets here in the Google Chrome on your phone is very tricky. It requires a lot of patience. I'm trying to zoom in and it doesn't really allow me to unless I try and tap on the name of my file right here at the top. There we go. Now that we've zoomed in a little, to create a named range, again, what we're going to do is to just select those cells. Once you have that selected, just go to Data and select Named Ranges. So there we have it. We have our Named Ranges panel open on the right side. Now we can name that range. You'll see that it's under the fruits dated sheet with a range of B1 to B6. Now we can just go ahead and rename this range. Let's call it Quantity Sold without any spaces, because if we do add a space, it will give us an error. Once you're done, just tap on Done. And there you have it. We've successfully added that named range on our spreadsheet. Now, if we go back to our Google Sheets app, here we go. If we go to the ellipsis at the top right corner and select Named Ranges, there we have the named range that we just created with Google Sheets in the Google Chrome app. Now, if we try and create a formula right here using that named range, let's go ahead and do that. Equal sign sum and just type in the name of the range that we just created without quotation marks. Tap on the check mark and there you have it. It will give us the same total that we have right here. So that's how you can create named ranges here in the Google Sheets mobile using your Android. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos and I will see you in the next one.